Welcome to this fourth Fusion 360 training video. This one will be dedicated to drilling, an essential tool for 3D modeling and mechanical design, or assemblies. We'll start by creating a basic part that will serve as our material to drill. Let's begin with a simple volume. To do this, create a sketch on the XY plane as seen in our second video. In this sketch, let's draw the base of our part. Finish the sketch and extrude the created surface to build our working volume. To create a hole at a specific location on the part, I recommend creating a sketch on the face to be drilled. For example, here on the top of our volume. To do this, I right-click on the top of the volume and select Create Sketch. We can now draw the reference points for our future holes. For this, I draw lines that I transform into center lines. I transform them into center lines to avoid confusing reference lines with construction lines, especially during complex constructions. If we want to drill our part at the four corners, let's also draw center lines at the center of our surface. And let's apply symmetry to our reference point to obtain four symmetrical reference points. To do this, go to Create Mirror, select the reference point and then the axis of symmetry. Repeat in the other direction to have all four reference points. We now have our drilling reference points. Simply position yourself on the first reference point and right-click. You can now choose Hole. All that's left is to complete the options in the window that just opened. You can select other drilling points, drilling to a specific depth or through the entire part, or in relation to other faces. Let's go with a depth-specific hole. Choose the type of hole. Simple, counterbore, or countersunk if you're using countersunk screws, for example. Below, you can choose to tap, which means creating a screw thread. Mechanics will understand all these options. But let's go with a simple thread for an M8 screw. Indicate the hole measurements on the diagram and click OK.
Your holes are now created.
That's it. We've covered drilling and tapping in Fusion 360. By mastering these techniques, you'll be able to create more complex and functional 3D models. Thank you for watching this video.
Please subscribe. See you soon.